So I use this property inquiry form in order to collect the inquiries for the properties, and I want whenever I receive the new form submission using this tally form, I want to add it right over here in my spreadsheet. And for that I've already created this automation, and first I'm just going to show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to fill in this form as new user and click on this submit button. Now you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details are added in my Google Sheets without me manually entering this. This can save me a lot of error and a lot of time. So let's see how we can create this amazing automation. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can create this automation for free and try it for free 100 of times. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and let's see how to build this automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for tally. So let's just search for tally and select the same right over here. For the event, we have to select it as new response and click on this connect. Now it has given me the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and follow me. What you have to do, open your tally forms and you're going to see the button of this integrations. So go on this integrations. Now as you can see that I've already added this webhook URL, so let me just delete this first. Once you're going to come on this integrations, you're going to see the option of this webhook. So go on this webhooks and click on this connect button. It is saying endpoint URL, so simply paste the URL right over here and click on this connect button. Now you're going to see that it has successfully connected right over here. So let's just open our workflow. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just copy the form link and open it in a new tab and submit this form. Okay, so I'm just going to simply enter the details right over here and submit this form right over here. Now you're going to see thanks for completing this form. So let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. As you can see, we have successfully captured the response and now we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. So to do this, we're going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, just select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow. Give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. Now it is saying to select the spreadsheet, so I'm just going to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here and then enter these details one by one. But we're not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these data, you have to put a slash search for the data which you wish to map and map it like this and then click on the save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our spreadsheet, and you're going to see yes, the details are added in our spreadsheet. And now like I showed in the starting of the video, whenever you're going to submit this form, instantly the details will be added in your spreadsheet. Not just Google Sheets, but like this you can connect many more applications further. If you want that whenever a new tally form is submitted, you can add the details in your Google Sheets, send a Google chat notification, or you want to add the details in your CRM, or you want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the lead, you can automate the further processes like this right over here. Google Sheets was just used as an example right over here to let you know how you can connect your tally forms with Pabbly Connect. You can just simply add more action step and create the further automation according to your own choice. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Apart from that, I'll just let you know that if you like the video, do hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.